Thank you, Chris, and thank you, Grazia, for having set the scene. I think you've measured the technological challenge, which is between us and 2035. And 2035 is this ambitious deadline we've set to ourselves to come in service with a green aircraft, a green certified commercial aircraft. Indeed, ZEROe, you said it, Chris, the ZEROe for zero emission. I think it's self-explanatory. And now we unveil today 3 concept planes, like you know, concept cars. Aerospace has developed safer and safer aircraft over generations. And once we need to integrate hydrogen, which is more volumic, which is colder with the cryogenic conditions, affecting the architecture of the aircraft, we need to take care of safety as our paramount indicator all across the development of these concepts.